Now from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Stevie Daniels here. Heavy rain and gusty winds. That's really what we're going to be tracking as we head throughout your Friday. That's all thanks to Tropical Storm Faye that's still located off the coast of North Carolina. The heat and the humidity lingers not just throughout the weekend, but also into early next week. This is the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, just updated at 11 p.m. You can see the track. They still have it moving northward at 8 miles per hour. So it is moving rather slowly and still has sustained winds around 45 miles per hour. And it'll likely be just off the coast of the Delmarva Peninsula as we head around the mid to late morning hours tomorrow. So the track of it, it's going to move northeastward for that matter, moving rather slowly though. So it really just depends on the exact speed and the exact track of this system. It really just depends on how fast and how slow it moves, because that could determine how much rainfall we see across the Delmarva Peninsula, and even some of that rain could extend into portions of Baltimore. And that system looks to track up to the north and east and will likely welcome this cold front that's going to be bringing a round of showers, even some thunderstorms as we head into your Saturday afternoon and evening. So here's a quick peek at FUTURECAST. You can see some of that rain will be entering portions of Maryland and even Delaware as we head around 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning. So it's really looking to reside for areas east of 95. So that's really what we can expect around early tomorrow morning. And then you can see the heavier bands of rain as the system continues to track north and east. That's going to be the case throughout midday up until around 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon before it starts to fizzle out as the center of low pressure continues to track up towards New England. We're looking mainly dry tomorrow evening, so don't cancel your dinner plans, but it's looking pretty soggy, especially for areas closer to Ocean City over by Fenwick, Dewey Beach. Similar story, going to expect a rainy Friday on tap. As we head overnight into Saturday, looking to start off dry, but then that chance for some rain, even some afternoon thunderstorms, will definitely have that chance to spark up, especially during the prime daytime heating hours. In terms of rainfall amounts, higher amounts of rain look to be for areas mainly to the east of I-95. I mean, looking at this, anywhere from 1 to upwards of 4 inches of rain is certainly possible, and I'm thinking areas closer to Delaware, I mean especially for areas around Dover and up to the north, have the better shot of dealing with some flash flooding, and that's why flash flood watches will be in effect starting at midnight tonight, lasting throughout your Friday afternoon, as flash flooding is certainly a possibility. Anywhere from 1 to upwards of 4 inches of rain, definitely the case. Temperatures right now across Maryland sitting in the upper 70s to even the lower 80s. So just like last night, it's going to be feeling very warm, very muggy out there as we head into the overnight hours. Still keeping our dew point values on the higher end of the scale as we progress into the weekend and heading into early next week. Tonight we drop down to 73 degrees, keeping that chance for some showers in the forecast, especially into early tomorrow morning. And especially through the afternoon. I'm thinking Baltimore, we are going to stay mainly dry. However, areas off to the east, not going to be the similar case. Saturday and Sunday, we're looking at hot and humid conditions with showers and storms persisting, lower 90s. And then starting off next week, pretty hot and humid, but dealing with more drier conditions as we head into the middle of next week. Back to you.